So in this video we're looking at standard deviation and how do we calculate standard deviation. So first of all, standard deviation is just the spread of the numbers, okay, in a data set. And the formula for standard deviation is equal to the square root of the variance. Okay. So the first thing you're going to ask is, what is the variance? Well, variance equals the sum of deviation from the mean of each of these values squared divided by the number of values. Okay, so we need to work out the variance before we can work out the standard deviation. So the variance, we need to work out the mean. So the mean of this data set is the sum of all the values, 54, divided by how many there were, 9, which is equal to 6. Okay, so then we look at each of these values individually and say how far off the mean are they. So the first one, 2, is 4 less than the mean. 3 is 3 less than the mean. There's 3 of those. 5 is 1 less than the mean. 7 is 1 above. 8 is 2 above. 11 is 5 above. And 12 is 6 above the mean. So this here is the deviation of each value from the mean. Then we have to square these. So negative 4 squared is 16, negative 3 squared is 9, negative 1 squared is 1, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 5 squared is 25, and 6 squared is 36. So we work out the variance is the sum of all of these numbers, 110, divided by how many there were, 9. So the variance is just 110 over 9. The standard deviation is the square root of that, which equals 3.50 to 2 decimal places. So this is a very fiddly calculation. There is a tutorial for your CAS calculators and Microsoft Excel in your textbook. So if you wanted to have a look if you wanted to know how to use your calculator, you can check out that tutorial.